So, what do you think? I started by creating style shots in Midjourney because for stylized cinematic work, it still gives me stronger visual direction than most general image models. Then I used Seedance 2. I plugged in those style shots as references and described the kind of shots I wanted. Close-ups, top-down angles, shots through clouds, detail shots, motion pieces. I prefer multi-shot generations because they are often faster and cheaper than generating each shot as a single generation. After a couple of generation rounds, I brought everything into editing software and treated it like a real footage. I selected only the best shots. For music, I used Suno. It took a few tries to get the right energy, but once I had the track, I edited the visuals to match the pacing and beats. Then I added a bit of color correction and pushed the grade into the final mood, cleaning the timing and rendering it. That's it, workflow is simple. For deeper breakdowns, check out my community.